Today in the grain market, soybeans were mixed. Weather and demand is still pretty bearish on the market. It's kind of like putting a lid on it right now. November did edge another new low. We got down to 10.15 today before it kind of bounced back. So we did get a little bit of a lift after it dipped down, but really not much more. Perhaps it's because it's the month end today, July 31st. So that could be playing into the market. We'll see if we can continue lower tomorrow, or if we're able to kind of recover from this point on. Option open interest added 5,000 contracts to the call side, which I think is kind of significant, mainly in the 1040 and 1050 call strike. We added 2,700 to the puts, so we really are kind of squeezing in the highest option open interest on that new crop contract. So we're looking at $10 on the low side, 1040, 1050 on the high side. So it's really starting to come in. Now, CVOL is at 22.2%, oil is at 33%, and the meal is at 26.5%. Corn did make a new low as well. Those lower trends for all grains are really kind of marching on right now. The CFTC did say that the commercials are long, speculators are short. We're down about 7.25 cents. We got down to 397.75, and so it did breach that $4 support level, but it was able to jump back again. So today we still broke out of that 20-cent channel, but kind of came back into it. Now we did add a lot of options for open interest calls and puts, and we're looking at the $5 strike on the call side, $4 on the put side. So it's perhaps holding it up. 380 would be the next objective on the downside. There really isn't much below that. So that's just something to keep an eye on. CVOL on the corner is at 25.8%. Wheat was firm today that French production is declining, as indicated by reports out of France. Maybe the reduction would be 15 to 28%. That's a positive for U.S. wheat. Futures today, though, were sideways. We did have an 18.5-cent range. The support number is at 520. So we were able to kind of like just stay above that at this time right now. 550 on the high side, it would also be the objective. So it is pretty narrow there as well. CVOL is at 33.3%. The Feds did say that no change to interest rates, so that's pretty steady right now. The dog days of August are starting tomorrow. It doesn't seem to have much of an impact on the crop right now, but we'll see.